Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger sound problem. There are a few reasons why your Messenger might be silent. It could be a simple setting that's turned off, a glitch in the app, or even your phone's overall volume settings being muted. Don't worry, we'll troubleshoot all the possibilities. Let's start with the most common culprit, notification settings. Here's how to make sure they're turned on. First, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top left corner. From the side menu, tap on the Settings gear icon. Now look for an option called Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it. Under Notification Settings, make sure the toggle switch next to On is turned on. This ensures Messenger plays notification sounds. You can also customize other notification settings here, like choosing a specific sound or vibration pattern for your Messenger alerts. Once you've adjusted the notification settings, send yourself a test message or ask a friend to send you a message to test if the sound notifications are properly working. If you're still experiencing issues with sound notifications, you may need to check your device's volume settings. Ensure that the Do Not Disturb mode is turned off or restart the Messenger app or your device. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and click on that notification bell to never miss an update.